Don't be just a woman, be a superwoman. Hi all, this is Kumar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I'm going to review a book, an autobiography or a kind of motivational book, and it is a non-fiction book, that is How to Be a Boss while releasing. It's not boss, it's boss. How to be a boss. So a boss is a person who controls you, who controls a firm, and who controls everything. But he doesn't know how to control himself because he just throw out. He just throw out his angers, his issues, his other things on people, on other people. Okay, but a boss is something different. A boss is someone who controls his life, who controls his mind, and who controls his everything around him. So let us see how the writer has explained this term, the boss. So a boss is a person who exudes confidence, hurdles relentlessly, reaches goals, and smiles genuinely because he or she has fought through it all and made it out the other side. So this is what a boss means according to the author. So today we are going to review this book, A Guide to Conquering Life, not to surviving. So let us start. So friends, this book, How to Be a Boss, A Guide to Conquering Life, has been written by Lily Singh. Lily Singh, pseudonym I Superwoman. And this book has been published by Penguin Publisher and it is cost about 599, but now you can get it easily for 300 rupees on Amazon. And there are around 300 pages in this book, and the quality of the page is very fine. There are pictures, there are some quotes, some rules, some tips that has been shared by the writer Lily Singh. When you read a non-fiction book, you usually get bored after some time, but this is not gonna happen with this book because a writer has included so many pictures, so many. It seems that she is quite photogenic, and she has included so many quotes, so many pictures to make you entertained all worthwhile while you read this book. And so I assure you that you won't get bored while reading this book. And she has not related the incident of her life in in a circular order. She had you don't know when might she say about something about her life that deals with her earlier life, and then she comes in between, and then she goes in between. I mean, she has just mentioned some incident about her life, and you feel energetic while reading the incident about her life, and she is quite interesting while writing this book. And this book is not like some boring kind of book. It is an interesting kind of book, and you will love when you read it. And there are 50 chapters in this book, which has been covered in 4 parts. So there are not actually 50 chapters, there are 50 rules to make you successful, or to tell you how to be successful. Okay, so this book is quite amazing, and it is worth reading, and you will say that it is worth your time as well as your price. So let us talk about the author. Now, may I ask you something? If you are using YouTube for a long time, or if you have started using YouTube, you might know her name. But if you don't know her name, don't worry. I am here to tell you. The author's name is Lily Singh. She's sensation on YouTube. She has over 14 million subscribers on YouTube, and she's just amazing. She was born in Canada, in Ontario, but her parents has origin from Punjab, from India. That is from Punjab, Hoshiarpur. That is my birth district. Also, I'm also from Hoshiarpur district, and so she has originated from the same city where I belong, and that's why I feel connection with her. And she is just amazing. She was born in Canada, as I told you, and she wanted to do something different in life. Her father asked her to go for a degree in college, but she refused. She said that I want to pursue my career in YouTube, and if I didn't good something on YouTube, then I would return and I would pursue my BA degree. But she made success. She started her YouTube career in around 2010, and around 2014 she had become a known as Superwoman, I Superwoman, and She also had another channel that is dedicated to her blogs, that is Superwoman Blogs. But now her channel have been changed to Lily Singh and Lily Singh Blogs. And you can see a lot of videos. She has over n numbers of views on YouTube, and she is just amazing. Okay, and she had dreams of becoming a Hollywood actress, but that she has not fulfilled. I think right now quite she has not successful actor, but she has achieved something great in life, and that is worth mentioning. And I would say that she is just amazing, and you must go through her book. Why I read her book? Because I wanted to know about her. I hadn't known about her before that. I just go through this book, and you know that I'm fond of reading books, and that's how I came across her books, and then I came across her YouTube channel, and now I know her, and I got to know about her tour of the world, about how she lived her life, and the things about her, that how she's fan of Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, and other Hollywood actors like Katy Perry and Justin Bieber, and how she met with them, and how she just got hold of all these things. And yeah, that's all about her. Let us talk about the book now for a bit. So if we talk about her books, the plot of her books, it's not actually a plot. I told you earlier that it is a non-fiction book, and she has mentioned chapters by chapters that how to. It's not about how to survive in life. It's about how to conquer the life. And she said that life is not about to survive. It's about to conquer. How can you conquer the life? She said that there is no kind of rules and regulations to conquer life, but you have to go through each and every step to reach that success. You might enjoy some kind of if you get success without hard working, then that success doesn't last longer. But if you get success by hard work, it stays longer, and it stays with you, and you will get millions of followers. Like we take the example of YouTube. If any video of yours got hit, and you get huge subscribers because of that videos, and you get huge views on that video, it doesn't mean that you will get success in YouTube. Okay, you have to work hard. You have to give good content to be active on YouTube, to be famous on YouTube, and to be permanently earning from YouTube. So this is what you have to do in your real life also. You can't say that you will get an instant success. The instant success doesn't last longer, and the hard work, the success you get after hard work, that stays with you. That stays with your whole life, and even after your life. So that's what she has said in her book. There are other things, like she said, don't be controlled by your mind, just control your mind. And she said that we must self-aware ourselves. We should not doubt ourselves. Like if we didn't do anything, we like have so many pretexts of not doing that thing. Like the author gave her own example. Like she said, she is not in a relationship, as you know, but she used to give so many pretexts, or like she is not in a relationship because she doesn't like guys, or she is not interested in guys. Like she is focusing on her careers. Like she is afraid that she might ruin her career, or how she will manage her career with her personal life. But in her deeper side, she knows that she had some bad experiences of relationships in her younger age. That's why she is not in a relationship. So she says that deep down your mind, and tell your personality that why you are not following something if you are not doing it. If you're not doing something, don't just give yourself pretext. You can save it for others, but at least to your mind, to your heart, you should say the truth. This is what she said about controlling your mind, then controlling your self-awareness. You should be self-aware about yourself, and you should play Nintendo. Like you should play video games. In video games, there are chapters after chapters. Like there are levels of crossing, and if you do anything wrong, you will get down. Similarly, in life, there are so many levels, and if you do something wrong, you will have to pay the price for it. This is what she says in this book. And there are some things to time management, some relationship tips, and some career oriented tips, like goals. Like she said, you should not follow the basics. You need to break the law to stand out. If you still following the rules, like others are following, you will end up like others. But if you don't, if you want to be different, if you want to stand different, if you want to do something different, then you should stand alone. You should do something, you should break the law, and then you can held out. Like someone says, I don't remember who says that, winners don't follow the rule, they just make the rules. Okay, so that is what you have to do. Don't follow the rules, just make your own rules, and then success will be yours. These all are some of the basic points that she have discussed in her book, and there are so many others to look after that I'm not gonna share here, because I want you to go through the YouTube channel and see what it for. And I would suggest you to buy this book. Why I would suggest you to buy this book? Because I feel that if you are a YouTuber, I know that everyone uses YouTube, and everyone want to be famous on YouTube. And if you have the same kind of rule, if you have same kind of ambition in your life, please go through her book. You will get to know, you will get to learn a lot from her books, from her experiences, from her past experiences. And that's how you can get success in life. And it's not only about YouTube. There's nothing which says that it is only for YouTubers, but in real life you can get experiences from a girl who was nothing in her childhood, but who became something, not something, who became a huge brand in itself for the bird. And now everyone in the world, everyone, I must say that everyone in the world knows her name. And if you don't know her the name, then you might be lacking something, you might be lacking something great. And that's why I suggest you to go on YouTube and search her name, Lilly Singh, and you will get to know what kind of personality she is. She is not only a YouTuber, she is a singer, she's a dancer, she's an actress, she is a TV host, and there are so many other things she has done, which you may not know. Like, I know not everything about her, but still I know something about her, and I think that is enough for me. And yeah, now let us talk about my opinion about the book. If I consider my opinion about the book, I just love the book. I love the way book has been written, and the vocab is fine of the book. The printing is amazing, and the photos, the tips that she has given in her book, these are quite amazing. And I as I told already you, that I just love the book, and I love to tell you that you must go through the book at least once in your life. If you are a follower, if you are a follower of your dreams, if you want to do something different in life, then you must read about her, you must know about her. If you are not gonna read her book right now, you can go to her YouTube channel, and then I would make sure that after going through her channel, you want to know about her, because she is just amazing. And that's why I would suggest you to go through to go through this book. You can get it easily now for 300 rupees, even less than that. And I think that is worth your price. You won't find you won't say that you are being cheated, you have wasted your money. I think it's worth your money and your time. And this is all from this video. And if you like the video, then like, share, comment on the video, and please subscribe the channel for further such updates. This much all from us now. Thank you for joining the video, and have a great day. We'll see you in another video with another book review and with another thing to discuss. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.